Hey y'all, it's your girl Kylashaii, whatever you want to say, and I is back with another video. If you're a new viewer, what's good, what's popping? If you're a returning subscriber, what's good, what's popping, and what's up, okay? Okay. So y'all, I am so mad. I filmed this whole thing, and my mic was not on, so I have to do a voiceover. I'm so annoyed. Ew, I didn't want to do a voiceover. I mean, luckily I didn't get that far, but thank you for joining us for episode 2 of Cooking with Kai. Today we are making Wonder Burgers with caramelized onions and some Old Bay fries. And HelloFresh is a company where it's very easy to use. You don't have to go to the grocery store, especially for the girlies that don't know what they want to cook, or you have a busy schedule. Your food is handed to you in a brown paper bag and a nice packaging to your doorstep, okay? With the meats, everything that you need for that meal is perfectly fine. Hand it to you. You can have servings for 2 people, 4 people, how many people you have to cook for, and how many meals you need for that week. So you guys can go ahead and head over to HelloFresh.com and use my code Kylashaii14 for 14 free meals and free shipping, and we can cook together, okay? But today, make some burgers. I kind of already started. I didn't know my mic was not on. I'm so sorry. Pissed about it. Didn't want to do voiceovers, but I mean, I was waiting to see if y'all like voiceovers or if you wanted to talk like how I'm talking now. But I already cut up my potatoes and I cut up my onions. I put my potatoes in the oven, and right now I'm about to caramelize the onions. So we're only on step 3, but I feel like I was saying some good stuff and you couldn't hear me. I'm so annoyed. This filming stuff is just a lot, but it's worth it. So stay tuned. We're gonna continue with these videos. I don't know how I'm gonna do it. I'll probably just show you guys what I was doing, but I have to add this in first so you guys know basically why we have a voiceover coming up, because my mic wasn't on and I realized just now. At least I realized, okay? Okay, so go ahead, make sure you guys check out HelloFresh.com, and down below is the link to go straight right there and use my code Kylashaii14 for 14 free meals. But we're gonna cook, okay? This cooking series is for y'all. I think I was dying for cooking series, so for episode 2, we're gonna stay consistent. We're gonna stay real consistent. Amen, amen. And I'm so happy I did not get discouraged that this mic was not on, because it would be, ooh. Anybody that films, y'all know when something's wrong with the sound or just anything, you film the whole video and it disappears or something. That is the most hurtful thing ever. But I'm being positive about it. We're gonna continue to cook. And yeah. So let's get on and caramelize this onion. This girl is hot. Okay, look at she hot. This is why I want a gas stove. I cannot wait to just move and get a gas stove, y'all. Cause why are you burning you're on 7. What's not clicking, Stevie? Cool down. Just cool down, because but so we can actually put the onions on it while because it's already hot. So we can go ahead, slide these onions up on her. I will not be getting popped by no onions. Actually not. Be careful, y'all. This is why I don't like doing it. This is ghetto. This is so ghetto. Let that sit there, because this is just a bit much for me. We're gonna make this sauce, and we're gonna season our meat and everything. Cause y'all, it just say season it with salt and pepper. I'm gonna put my seasonings in it. Y'all can put y'all seasonings in it. I'm gonna call it a day. But so we're gonna go to step 4. Okay, so let me move this over here for a second. All right, so you're gonna mix the mayonnaise and ketchup. And I'm a sauce type of girl, so I already know I'm gonna need more. So let me get my ketchup and mayonnaise and stuff out. I double dip. I don't know about y'all, but I double dips, okay? Okay. I love how everything has a nice little slit to be open and stuff. And that noise you hear is the vents, because I don't want my smoke detector going off. And then we're gonna use this Dijon mustard. Oh, girl. And then it says to add the remaining Obey seasoning. Okay, girl, that was a lot. Cause like I said, I double dipped. I don't know about y'all, but me, honey, I double dipped. So we're just gonna mix this sauce together. It smells like baby food. But okay, so it says to season the meat with salt and pepper, but y'all know me, once again, I like to put my own seasonings. Okay. So yeah, season to your liking. I'm just seasoning my meat to my liking. Just add a little bit more seasoning, and then we're gonna form these into our little patties. So now I'm just gonna make little like baby meatballs, so we're gonna smash them down. And then also too, you don't want the slider to be too thick, because then it's gonna taste nasty. Some oil in the same pan that we use for the onions. And we're just going to place the little things on the pan. We're just gonna flatten them out. Just put in some little sliders. Okay, there we go. Okay, so they want me to toast. Well, it says you can toast the buns, but I don't really want to toast them. I just want, you know, nice soft buns to have the sliders. But again, you can use the buns that they already gave you. I just wanted sliders. And my burgers are done to catch the grease, basically. And now these are not little circles. They're different shapes. They're still gonna taste good. Some cheese to the burgers. We're gonna warm this up to melt the cheese. All right, so let's add some of the fries right here. And then I'm gonna just add some of the sauce to the buns. Just as like the mayonnaise, you know, for the buns so the food not dry. Sorry that my dog is panting. Chloe, you cannot be over here making all that noise. And now we're just gonna get these little burgers. Add it to the slider. Yum. Just like that. If you want to just add a little bit more of the sauce on top, you can. So I'm gonna just add a little bit of the barbecue sauce onto the burgers because I like barbecue sauce. You can add like whatever you want to this. Some tomatoes, some lettuce, whatever you so please. So I want to taste the sauce so y'all can know what the sauce. I mean, if you never had ketchup and mayonnaise and Obey seasoning together, then let's see. Cause I eat a burger with ketchup and mayonnaise all the time, so I knew what it was gonna taste like. But yes, ma'am. Just add my dipping sauce. Okay, so let's taste this burger. This tastes so good. The burger taste is nice and well. It's just, you know, seasoned, but this meal was really easy to make, and this burger is really good. They gave you everything you needed. You cannot have them. This is really good, y'all. So yeah, y'all need to use my code Kylashaii 14 for 14 free meals. Y'all can be making food just like this. This is like lunch menu or even dinner. I would just say maybe some more potatoes, but I mean I have some more potatoes in the house, but I just wanted to show y'all what you can get while using everything they give you. But this is really good. So hope you guys stay tuned for more videos. Make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe to my video. To my channel. And don't forget to go check out the links in the description box so you guys can get your 14 free meals.